Speak it. Write it. Sing it. Come and be the light. Reach across the
Ngayong araw, kung alin sa dalawang baretang ito, ang Bareta X ba o ang Bareta Y, ang sabong panlabang mas mabula, mas mabango, at mas nakalilinis ng labada. Otep, Mary Grace, pasok! Ay, nako. Nagkahalo-halo po ang kanilang mga labada.
May kamiseta ko.
Otep, is this your shirt?
Yes, this is my shirt.
Mary Grace, is this your shirt?
Yes, this is my shirt.
Ngayon, masasaksihan natin sa tulong ni na Otep at Mary Grace kung aling sabong panlaba ang mas mapula, mas mabango at mas nakalilinis ng labada. Are you ready, kids?
Yes, you are.
All right,
Go! Wash, 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 wash.
tarang! Ngayon, i-inspeksyonin natin ang mga labada. Otep, are these your shirts?
Yes, this is my shirt.
Otep, kapag isang bagay ang tinutukoy natin, tama yung this is. Pero kapag dalawa o mas marami pa sa dalawang bagay ang ating tinutukoy, these are.
This is my shirt. And these are my shirts.
Yes! Woo! Washing clothes is fun, fun, fun. Dirty shirts, dirty towels are now clean, clean, clean. Yeah. Woo! Are these your shirts? Are these your shirts?
Yes, these are my shirts. Yes, these are my shirts.
Woo! Yeah. Are these your shirts? Are these your shirts?
Yes, these are my shirts. Yes, these are my shirts.
Woo! Washing clothes is fun, fun, fun. Dirty shirts, dirty towels are now clean, clean, clean.
Sa aming pag-iinspeksyon, masasabi ko na ang baretang mas mabula, mas mabango at mas nakalilinis ng labada ay ang bareta X at Y. Magkasing ka rin ba?
Teka muna. Kanino to? Ano itong mga tuwalya nito? Sa'yo to, Mary Grace, are these your towels?
Hindi po.
Pwede mo rin sabihin, no, these are not my towels.
No, these are not my towels.
Otep, are these your towels?
No, these are not my towels.
Oh, kanino kaya ang mga tuwalyang ito? Porfirio, are these your towels?
Yes, these are my towels. Baka kasama lang sa labada nila.
Pag naman, nagpapalaba ka pa.
Read it, speak it,